display ever since.
My name is Dean Chandler. I'm head of car build here at TDF. We restore old F1 cars, be them original or putting different engines in for customers, whatever they want really. Today we've got Daytona's EJ10, which is a 2000 Jordan F1 car. We are pulling their Daytona livery that they had on it and putting it back to the original Jordan livery, giving the car a general clean up and making it look good. First stage was to get the car in, sort of assess it, see what work needs doing and in what order. So today we're pulling the livery off of it, taking the old wrap off to reveal the original paint that's underneath. We will then strip the car down, probably to just a bare tub and all the individual bodywork parts and wings. We'll then decide whether it gets wrapped or painted, clean all the parts up while they're off and make everything look as good as we can. When we get these cars, they're not necessarily 100% original. There'll be bits missing that the teams either reuse for another year or just don't want people getting hold of. Quite surprisingly with this car, there's quite a lot of original stuff still in it. The wiring looms are still in there, the fire extinguisher is still in there. There's also some hydraulics in the back of the gearbox as well, which is quite a rare find. One of the challenges of this car is to take it back to the original livery, we need to know the exact colour that the original paint was, the original Jordan yellow, which is not something you can just Google and find out. You can tell by the colour of the car it's faded a lot when it's been sat in the sun for many years now, so it's very difficult to get a match direct off of any bodywork. We did check a few spots on the car to see if we could find somewhere that hadn't been sun-kissed, but it's going to be a struggle, but we'll get it done.
After being unwrapped and repaired, the car headed up to Chartwell's for a complete repaint and decal application. As an iconic piece of Formula One history, the focus was on making restoration as visually accurate to the original car as possible. Because of this, reaching the perfect colour match was a laborious and tough exercise that Chartwell's perfected, redrawing each sponsor logo for the decals from scratch to achieve the highest accuracy finish as possible. The car was then shipped back to TDF1 for reassembly before going back home to proudly sit on display at Daytona Milton Keynes.
That looks amazing. You're right, the yellow is... We made the right decision, didn't we? 100%. Look at that. Wow. So, as you can see behind me, Daytona's Formula One car, the 2000 Jordan EJ10, has just been delivered back from its refurb at TDF1, and as you can see, the guys have done an amazing job on it. An awful lot of thought has gone into the paint. We actually managed to recreate the original paint exactly with the right UV and the fluoro parts in it and all the rest of it. And I think you'll agree with me, the car looks absolutely stunning. So it'll be on display as of this afternoon in the Daytona Pavilion at Daytona Milton Keynes.